So this week I decided to go to Millcreek Canyon, and we had a huge snowstorm last 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, and it was pretty bad. The highways, the streets all over were horrible. Some of the snow totals that we received, especially in the ski resorts, Alta got around 80 inches of snow. Alta's at the top of Little Cottonwood Canyon. Right below Alta is also Snowbird Ski Resort, and they also got in the 80 inches of snow. Also Deer Valley got like 56 inches of snow this week, and then Park City is about the same like Deer Valley. They're right next to each other. And then Brighton, I'm not sure about Brighton. I can check for you. Let's see. Brighton is at the top of Big Cottonwood Canyon, and they got, let's see how much snow they got. Just checking here on the internet. So Brighton currently has 69 inches of snow at the base, and it's 11 degrees right now in Brighton. So yeah, we got a lot of snow, and I decided to go hiking up into Millcreek Canyon. This is a usual parking place where you can picnic and camp during winter or spring, summer, all year round. Millcreek is unique because it, in order to get into the canyon, well, you can get in without paying, but once you leave the canyon, you have to pay $3 per car. And they do have they have like a annual pass that you can buy for $40 annual pass, so that you don't have to pay the $3 each time you get to the pay booth. With that money, they take that money and they improve the canyon. They make sure that the river that runs through it is healthy, and they also make sure that the snow is off the road, and much other things which I'm probably not aware of. But yeah, they do have people up in that canyon that keep improving the trails, making sure the trails are accessible, and they cut trees down that fall during snowstorms, or they just do a good job in taking that money that they receive from people going into Millcreek and putting it towards making the canyon look good. And so yeah, this is shot with my Sony 4K camera. It's got balance, optical steady shot, and then I think the actual pictures that it takes, it has like a 12 megapixel camera. But you can shoot in 4K, and as you can see, it's a downcast day, and so the sun's behind the clouds, and so I can say that if there was more sunlight, then it would be more nice, but I wanted to really go up and hike. I put up I put on Merrell shoes to hike, and then I had some kind of dressy socks, which is okay. And then I had some Columbia pants and a polo sport sweatshirt and spider hat on me, and I didn't have any gloves, and so I braved it without any gloves. And then on top of that, I had a Timberland coat over the polo sport sweatshirt. So there's a lot of people that always ask me, what do you put on when you go hiking? Well, there's your answer. Then that's what I wore, and I really love I really love this Timberland weather gear coat. It's a blue coat, and it's really light. That's what I like about it. It's light, and I like the feel of the fabric. And for me, what's most important when I go hiking is that I wear clothes that are not heavy, because if you do that, then it'll just tire you much faster than you would if you really think about what you put on. The Columbia pants that I wear are very thin. I recommend them 100% because they have pockets. Well, they have pocket on the left on the left leg. There's a zipper where you can put your stuff in, maybe keys or a wallet. You can zip that up. And yeah, so I'll try to find the labels of the clothes that I wear, and I'll put it in the video. And then just make sure that I don't get stuck. I actually got stuck in the snow with my car. I had to come out and shovel some of the snow, which I didn't film, but I was really concerned because I didn't want to get stuck in the canyon. But anyways, my car got stuck to the side of the road where there was a lot of snow, and so I had to get out of the car, and I had to